Hello and welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes again. We move to the next question in the quant section. This one says that if the rectangular faces of a brick have their diagonals in the ratio 3 is to 2 root 3 is to root 15, then the ratio of the shortest side to the longest side is what? Now we know that a brick is rectangular in form and looks somewhat like this, and it has a length which is this one, and a breadth which is this one, and a height which is this one. So it has three edges and the diagonals are this, this and this. So we are given the ratio of these diagonals, and these diagonals, if I take the edges as A, B and C, then the diagonals are root over A square plus B square is to root over B square plus C square is to root over C square plus A square, and this ratio is given as 3 is to 2 root 3 is to root over 15. Now if we square both the sides, we will get A square plus B square is to B square plus C square is to C square plus A square is equal to 3 square is 9, 2 root 3 if I square it becomes 4 into 3 12, and root 15 square is 15. So this can be written as 3 is to 4 is to 5 because it has 3 as a common factor. So this is the equation or set of equations that we are getting. Now we have to understand which is the shortest side and which is the longest side. Now how do we do that? Now in order to do that, we see which are the two smallest numbers. So the two smallest numbers are 3 and 4, and they are coming from the first two terms. And what is common in the first two terms? It is B square. So therefore B square contributes to the smallest two numbers, and hence B is the smallest side. Similarly, if we look at the largest two numbers, which is 4 and 5, coming from the second and the third terms, we see that the term C square is common in both. So C square is contributing to both 4 and 5, the largest terms. So C is the largest side. So therefore we are asked to find the ratio of the shortest side to largest side. That means we have to find the ratio of B is to C. This is what we have to find. Now in order to do that, what we'll do is we are going to eliminate A from the two equations that we can form from this given ratios, and in order to do that, we will take B square plus C square as a common denominator. So I will take the ratio of the first and second terms first, which is A square plus B square by B square plus C square is equal to 3 over 4, and I want to eliminate B square in the numerator. So I will subtract both sides from 1. So 1 minus A square plus B square by B square plus C square is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. So I can write C square minus A square by B square plus C square is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4, or C square minus A square is equal to 1/4 of B square plus C square. So this is first equation. The second equation, I will take the ratio of the third and the second terms, which is C square plus A square over B square plus C square is equal to 5 by 4, or I can write C square plus A square is equal to 5 by 4 into b square plus c square. Now note that c square plus a square gives the term 5. So hence c square plus a square is 5, and b square plus c square gives the term 4. So hence b square plus c square is 4. So I get c square plus a square is equal to 5 by 4 into b square plus c square. So this is my second equation. Now you see that in both the equations, in the right hand side I have a common term which is b square plus c square, and in the left hand side I have c square plus a square and c square minus a square. So I want to eliminate a from both equations, so I just need to add the two equations. So therefore I will get, if I add equations 1 plus 2, I will get 2c square is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 of b square plus c square. That means 6 by 4 of b square plus c square, or this becomes 3 by 2. Hence 4c square is equal to 3b square plus 3c square, or c square is equal to 3b square. Now I need b's to c, so therefore I can write b square by c square is equal to 1 by 3, or b by c is equal to 1 by root 3, which is the required ratio that we are looking for. And if I look at the options, option 1 says 1 is to root 3, and this is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question, which says let x and y be positive real numbers such that log of x plus y to the base 5 plus log of x minus y to the base 5 is equal to 3. This is the first equation. And log of y to the base 2 minus log of x to the base 2 is equal to 1 minus log 3 to the base 2. And we are asked to find the value of xy, or x into y. Now we all know that log of a plus log of b to the same base can be written as log of a into b, and log of a minus log of b can be written as log of a over b, and log of any number to the same base is equal to 1, and log of x to the base a equal to b means x equal to a to the power b. So these are the concepts that we'll need to solve this problem. So in the first equation you see that log of x plus y to the base 5 and x minus y to the base 5 is given as 3, which means we will apply this rule. So log of x plus y into x minus y to the base 5 is equal to 3, which means x square minus y square, which is this value, is equal to 5 to the power 3, coming from this rule, is equal to 125. So this is my first equation, and from the second equation I get log of x to the base 2 and log of y to the base 2. So I will apply this rule. So log of y over x to the base 2 is equal to 1 can be written as log of 2 to the base 2. I am applying this rule here. Log of any number to the same base is 1 minus log of 3 to the base 2. So this can be written as log of 2 by 3 to the base 2, and therefore y by x becomes equal to 2 by 3 because we have the same base on both sides. So y by x is equal to 2 by 3, or y is equal to 2 by 3x is my second equation. So I substitute the value of y in the first equation and I get x square minus 2/3 x, which is the value of y, whole square is equal to 125, or x square minus 4/9 x square is equal to 125, or 5/9 x square is equal to 125. So 5 cancels with 125 to give 25. So x square is equal to 25 means 5 square into 9 means 3 square, which is equal to 5 into 3 whole square, which means 15 square. So therefore x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 2/3 of 15, which is equal to 10. Y is 10, x is 15. So the value of xy is equal to 15 into 10 is equal to 150. And we see that in option 2 the value is given as 150. So 2 is the right answer.